Today, we're going to talk about what is a resolution management conference in Arizona and how you should prepare. Did you just get a notice for resolution management conference in your Arizona divorce case? Well, don't panic. Let's just talk about what a resolution management conference is and why it matters and how to get prepared. Hi, I'm Bryan Shaw. I've been helping clients out across Arizona for about 12 years. One of the most common early hearings in a divorce case is something called a resolution management conference, or as we call it, an RMC. It sounds a little formal, but it's really just a meeting with the judge to get organized and map out the next steps in your case. So, really, what is a resolution management conference? It's a court hearing that happens pretty early on in the divorce process. It gives the judge a chance to understand what the two sides agree on, what's still in dispute, and whether you might be able to settle the case or not. For the hearing, you or your attorney will reach out to the other side to see if there's anything you can agree on ahead of time. This is called a meet and confer. You'll also file a document with the court called a resolution management statement. This outlines your position on pretty much the big issues like parenting time, legal decision making, finances, and support. So, what happens during the conference? Well, at the conference, the judge will ask questions to figure out where things stand. You or your attorney will present your position, and if there are agreements, those might be placed on the record and approved by the court. If you still have some unresolved issues, the judge might order mediation, set deadlines for exchanging information, or schedule some additional hearings. If something needs immediate attention, like parenting time or spousal support, the court might even issue some temporary orders if you agree with your spouse. So, the next question you might be asking yourself is, well, how do I prepare? Well, preparation really does matter, and it helps you feel more confident going in. Make sure your resolution management statement is filed on time, it very clearly outlines what you're asking for, and some information as to why you're asking for it. Organize any documents that support your request and talk with your attorney ahead of time to create a really clear plan for what you want to accomplish. There are some things to avoid. Avoid going in unprepared or overly emotional. This isn't a trial, though, it's a planning session, and surprises like last minute demands or major accusations usually don't help out that much at this stage. Try to keep your focus on progress and cooperation, not conflict. After the conference, the judge will typically issue a written order that lays out the next steps in your case. This might include deadlines for disclosure, a referral to mediation, or even a timeline leading up to trial. Think of your conference as a chance to shape the roadmap of your divorce moving forward. If you received notice of resolution management conference in your Arizona divorce case, we are here to help. We'll walk you through every step, help you prepare your documents. Make sure you walk into court with clarity and confidence. But of course, as always, the first step is to reach out and schedule a consultation. And if this video was helpful, we've got some other free resources right here on this channel or at bryanshawlaw.com. I really thank you for watching. Thanks for taking some time to spend with me, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.